does posting shorts help to get subscribers? I'd love to hear your take on that, Sean.
So that's a great both of the two things you just mentioned are actually great for me at this particular moment. I started to double down on shorts in May. Going into the summer movie season, this is when the most big movies come out. So it's like, let me try and really do a lot of shorts. And what that's meant for me as someone that already has kind of a successful channel, the last 2 months has by far been the best window of time I've had in terms of just views. Of like right now, at this exact moment, is the most views by a factor of like 2 million that I've ever had in a 28-day period of time. And that's all driven by shorts. So to the simple question of, do shorts, are they a great way to grow? If your goal is just to get subscribers, right now, shorts are the shortest way to grow in the year 2023. You can produce more of them in a shorter period of time because they are shorter. YouTube's algorithm is pumping them out more. People watch more of them because it's this. You can cross-post them on TikTok, on Reels, on Facebook with the same exact video, put them on 4 different platforms. So in that regard, they, I think, absolutely are a great tool to be able to get far more exposure. Like that's for me, like this is working so well to get so much exposure in a very short period of time. You can take what we're talking about right now and turn it into a short. And it works. And and it's a nice little bite-sized piece that people kind of scroll through. So they watch so many of them so fast. So that's the first thought to it. But what you win people with is what you win them to. So if you want to have an hour-long podcast, if you want to make 10-minute long tutorials and you get 10,000 subscribers because you're killing it with shorts, you set yourself up, you kind of got yourself in a trap there. Because you won them with little bite-sized 30-second scroll, low attention span. But what you really want is someone that wants to go deep, and you won them with something shallow. So it's tricky. Yeah. So it's kind of a matter of what serves your actual goals. So for me, like my goal is kind of more exposure. And if you want a bite-sized 60-second review of a movie, I'm going to give that to you. And then a day later, I'm going to give you the 10 to 20-minute version where I go through all the details for it. So I'm making reviewing one movie 2 different ways for 2 different audiences. And I thought at first maybe people would start complaining, hey, you already reviewed this. Why are you reviewing it again? It appeals to 2 different groups of people. One is bite size and one is depth. So you have to think, if all your goal is to grow and you're fine with whatever that looks like, shorts are the shortest way to grow right now. They're a very quick way to get exposure. They're bite size. You can take your long form and easily convert it into great shorts. There's all the options of what you can do. But don't get yourself in a trap. And I know some people that are in the movie space that have exploded with shorts, but what they really want to do is long form.
Yeah.
And it's tough to convert people back and forth.
Yeah. So, yeah, that's something that I see people asking a lot and questioning a lot in different Facebook groups and stuff is like, are shorts going to help me get views on my long form content? Yeah. And probably not, it sounds like, in your experience. Yeah.
So, and I don't think they're totally detached. Like, if you know who I am and you like me, are you more likely to watch this other thing? Sure. Now that you know who I am, that's a door's open. But the person that wants to watch a short is not the same person that wants to watch a 10-minute video. Like, I don't really watch shorts. I don't spend a lot of time on TikTok. That's just not how I consume content. But then there's a bunch of people that they spend all day long on TikTok doing this. And I view it as 2 kind of different audiences. And so like a lot of people that they want the short to just be a trailer for the full video. And there can be a little bit of that of, you know, if I clip out something from this live stream, a different live stream or a video or whatever, absolutely, there's a side to it where a lot of times I'll be like, hey, check out the whole interview right here. And the likelihood that a percentage will click on that is pretty high. Oh, that was an interesting conversation. I want to hear more about that. They'll click on it. At the same time, if you're just creating a short that doesn't offer value, just to get them to watch something where you do offer value, then people are just not going to click on your shorts anymore. The strategy doesn't work.